In this video, we will learn how to change Google profile picture. So let's begin. So to change the Google profile picture on PC or Mac, just go and open your browser. So here it is. Just go to any Google product like YouTube, like any of the product, Google Photos, Gmail, any of the product. Just go and or Google search. So for example, I'm going to Google search. I'm searching for this one. So here it is, and here make sure that you are logged in with your account. So here I am logged in with my account, and here what you can do is just go and click on this, and here click on change, and here just go and select a photo from your computer. So select any of the photo from your computer, and it would take small bit of a time. It is saying just go and select any JPG. So this time I have selected a JPG. So here it is. Just go and you can just go and crop it to your to whatever you are trying to focus on. So for example, this is here. Just go and click on set as profile photo, and it would take a small bit of a time for the processing, and it would take a small bit of a time to for this to appear here. For example, I'm going to refresh. So here it is. So hope by doing so you can change your profile picture. But before you go, please like, subscribe and share. Thank you.